Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix SEO errors using perplexity. So just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in my perplexity.ai and how to fix an SEO on perplexity. So just tap on three dots which is top right corner bottom, and right now I just tap on this settings icon, and from here I will just tap on this privacy and security, get in. So here you will see the first one is delete browsing data. So if you have many caches, images and files, so it will be clear the cookie site data. So you will just tab on the delete browsing data, and after rest you will refresh it, your issue will be resolved. So if I write just best SEO companies for small business, so here you will see the top of the SEO companies, it will be showed and resources. So this is how to fix it all. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.